Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Skepta Nike Air Max Deluxe.
Skepta. One line flows, yeah, I got some of those. You get me, Jamie?
So we've got the Skepta Air Max Deluxe in hand. It's the third installment between Nike and Skepta. Yeah, let's have a talk about these. We'll have a talk about the details. Then we'll move on to the on-foot video after that. So on the upper, he's gone for a TV static print all over the upper, and the dates here. I think it's the 8th of June 2014, and it's got the time 12 PM. Signifies the release of his single That's Not Me. And then he's got Never Sleep on Tour. A nice little swoosh position there, as you usually get on the Deluxe. And we've got this plasticky patent sort of material on the mudguard on the toe. And then we've got that same sort of material worked on the side with the swoosh in it. Swoosh worked in there. And then on the back we've got this iridescent sort of metallic material on the ankle heel liner sort of area. We've got this little plaque here as well on the back. The lining on the shoe is pretty different. It's like a sort of like a soft, really soft wool in black that's worked around just in the inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's really soft wool. It's one of my favourite parts of the shoe. That's a nice little touch. With this pair, I would have liked to see the SK Air logo worked a bit more around the shoe. I think it's only been put on 2 places, which I'll get to in a moment. On the midsole, it's all black, but the airbag just worked all around, similar to 98s. It's got a red accent inside, which is nice. It breaks up the blacks and the darker colours nicely. Outsole, we've got SK Air there. Two little red highlights on the toe and the heel. Otherwise, it's all black. And that same material is worked around on here, on the eyelets, and then the tongue has a nice metallic detail as well, with the swoosh worked onto there, which is a nice detail. It would have been nice to have the SK Air logo or plaque worked on there somewhere. And on the insole you get a red insole with the SK Air logo on there as well. We've got the box. The box is like your standard Nike black box that they've started to use more often now. And then it's got the Never Sleep on Tour on one side, and then the date and time on the other. In the box you don't get any of the extras, no extra laces, things like that. It's just the shoes themselves. They fit true to size. Retail price was £170 if I'm not mistaken, and they did have a few restocks recently, so if you didn't pick these up, don't be too alarmed. You could pick them up for retail or close to retail soon anyway. I do expect more restocks at some point. But yeah, Skepta Air Max Deluxe. I like the Deluxe, but my only issue is they fit slightly narrow, and I have a sort of wider foot, so they do feel slightly uncomfortable on the inside, especially with these plastics on the sides, and they do fall a bit narrow, as you can see there. With 98s they feel slightly different. They feel a bit, because the upper constructions are quite different. They feel a lot more comfortable to me compared to the Deluxe. So I'm unsure if I'm going to keep these or not. I'm going to see if they're going to grow on me. But yeah, it's a nice shoe. They'd go great with all black fits. I'll have an on-foot video coming after this. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, select the little bell icon so you get notifications for any new uploads, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Keep your mind on your mask, kid. Horror form a classic, it's drastic. Filling the hydrochloric acid, splashed it. Pull a knob, reached and blasted. Pow, pinstripes on a basket. New York style, wow. Cheddar grab easy. It's only entertainment though, when thought out completely. Sad demeanor could get in the dropping bag cleaner. Master schemer, expert in that arena, puffin' Pasadena. He read the grass was greener. Black beamer, IH, gyrate. Rubbing shoulders with pigs who don't fly straight. Just ate. Causing indigestion, will soon regurgitate into profits, no question. Nosy agents sniffing around, pay attention, you can take that to the bank. Thanks, don't mention, the pleasure's all mine. Ain't mad at y'all, clear advantage like playing paddleball on Adderall.